Paulo, what are you making?
I'm going to be making a carrot cake. Just a typical carrot cake with no glazing on it. So I got my ingredients here: carrots, eggs, flour, sugar. Instead of using cashews, we're using walnuts from Portugal, from my walnut tree. Butter, baking soda, baking powder, and oil.
So this recipe asks for 2 cups of grated carrots.
So right now I got my large bowl over here for my dry ingredients. I'm just putting in my flour, unbleached, all-purpose. Maybe 3 cups. So this here should be 2 cups. One of these. This cup takes 2 cups. Two teaspoons of baking soda. It says so there. Oops. Baking powder, this is all I have, so I'm just going to throw it all in. It's probably a little bit less than 2 teaspoons. A little pinch of salt. Always need salt in your baking, in your goods. And cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's see if we can get this. Now I'm going to go into my mixing bowl and start getting my eggs and all my wet stuff, the oil, and things of that nature. So now I'm getting my wetted ingredients together, which is eggs, 4 of them for this recipe. Measuring out the oil, 1.5 cups.
So you're putting vanilla into the mix?
Yeah.
Alright, so now you're putting the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. We're going to go in the same pan. And there goes the remaining dry ingredients into the bowl. So here are the walnuts. Are you adding the walnuts into the mix?
Yep.
And don't forget the carrots.
Here are the carrots.
Into the mix. You added the walnuts into the mix?
Yes. Don't really need to mix it up with a blender because all you need to do is just fold them in.
So we added a little bit of milk into the mix.
Nope.
You
So we reduced the quantity of olive vegetable oil required for the recipe and replaced it with a little bit of milk instead, just to make it a little bit different.
So just take a piece of butter and butter the pan with it so that the cake mix will not stick to the pan.
The pan is buttered and it's sprinkled with flour so that the cake batter will not stick to it as it cooks away. So now I'm just going to pour it in, and to try and make it an even pour. I simply rotate the pan around. A lot easier than trying to go with the move the ingredients around. When it goes 350 degrees. I don't know if they drop this down or not. Little rack more or less for now. I don't know. Keep it there. It's supposed to cook for an hour. 70 minutes. So let's see. We'll go 7. Okay. Timer is 0. It's been baking for an hour and 10 minutes.
I could smell it.
Cheers for.
Smells delicious.
And it comes out clean, so there's no dough attached to it. That means it's baked. And now we just let it cool down, and then we can have some cake.
This is the carrot cake that we baked this afternoon.
Yum, yum.